Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment you have all been waiting for this week. In just a few hours, something very big is most likely going to be taking place in the crypto market and in the stock market, which moves and determines the crypto market. So make sure you guys watch this video until the end. It is very important if you hold any cryptocurrency. Make sure you smash up the like buttons to an all-time high, subscribe with notifications on, and let me know your thoughts in this video below. I highly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for the comments, supports, likes, dislikes, whatever you guys want to do. I appreciate it. Now, getting straight into the video, guys, we have some very important information, critical information that's going to be taking place in just a few hours. So what is going to be taking place, as I have been telling you all this week, is the CPI reading. This is the reading, the official government reading, where they are going to be analyzing inflation and the price of goods in the month of May. So based on the increases of these prices, we will have an estimated understanding of how much inflation has rose or has gone down from the previous month. So this inflation reading is going to be read approximately 8:30, exactly at 8:30 actually, tomorrow morning. And that is going to be none other than Friday. So Friday is going to be June 10th, tomorrow morning. So all you have to do is at 8:30 a.m. exactly, you type in CPI and you will see the inflation reading report. You're going to see the consumer price index, which measures the inflation. And based on what this information entails, whether it's higher than expected, lower than expected, or at expectations, can move the market in a drastic and traumatic way. Now, it is very likely that tomorrow, no matter what the readings are, we could actually see a bullish reaction. There's probably going to be somewhat of a bullish reaction, in my opinion, because the drops, the crashes we have been experiencing have been already pricing this reading in. The high inflation, interest rates, all of this has been priced in. Future events price in the markets and cause the markets to move in a specific way. So it's very likely, no matter what the reading is, unless it's super high, way above shocking expectations, we're most likely going to continue to trade sideways. There's going to be volatility. There's going to be some market manipulation tomorrow for sure. There's going to be whales trying to shake people out, probably dropping prices really fast, getting people to panic sell if they do, or they're going to be shooting prices up like crazy. And this is going to come into play with cryptos and the stocks at the same exact time. So tomorrow morning, we're most likely going to see a lot of volatility, maybe leading up to it. Immediately at 8:30, there's going to be volatility, and the volatility will probably continue till 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, because a lot of volatility starts immediately at the stock market open, which is 9:30 a.m. And that volatility usually continues between 9:30 to 10 a.m. And then you will see the actual moves playing out in the crypto and the stock market from 10 to 11, maybe a little bit more than that. As you notice, if you take a notice of these specific times, markets move in these specific times based on stock market openings in specific places of the world. So usually the first couple of moves, whenever a market opens, like at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, you can see a big pump, but guess what? By 10 o'clock, there's already been dumps and crashes. So what there is there's a lot of fake outs. So you have to be very careful trading with volatility. It's usually best to trade after the volatility has settled, when things have already pumped, when things have already crashed, and you can make a very clear decision. Okay, what is the next move of the current market? But tomorrow, guys, this is going to be huge. I am hoping for a bullish outcome, which may or may not happen. We may have a crash tomorrow. We may have more bearish volatility than I'm personally expecting, but it's going to be happening in just a few more hours. So guys, get ready for this. But moving on from this point, yes, I'm going to show you a couple of scenarios what is likely to happen in the crypto market. So a lot of experts are coming out and saying that they do expect the inflation reading to come lower than expected. If we do see a shocking lower expectation in the month of May for CPI, there will probably be a very bullish move. If we are at expectations, we might see a little bit of bullishness or kind of neutrality, where we're not seeing a lot of crazy volatility. So at expectations and under, and significantly under is going to be more of a bullish outcome in my opinion. But a lot of experts are saying that they are expecting lower outcomes, so it's likely that there's going to be a lower than expected outcome, which is likely to give us a bullish move tomorrow. It's going to be a great opportunity to trade. So this may or may not happen. It may be very bearish, guys. It may be very bearish, but I am telling you, I'm giving you a warning that there's going to be a lot of volatility most likely tomorrow. So be prepared for that. Be prepared for the market to crash. Be prepared for the market to pump in every situation. So experts are saying that they are thinking that it's going to come lower. Okay, we have that. We understand what's happening. There's still a lot of fear and FUD out there. But getting into the charts, let me show you what is happening. So cryptos are trading sideways right now, guys. Cryptos are trading sideways, but yes, they are trading sideways and they aren't crazy bullish. Like, we're not seeing massive pumps, but we're not seeing crashes that are continually taking us lower. Bitcoin and cryptos have held up strongly. They've been holding up very well. And that is a good sign. That is a good sign that we may have reached somewhat of a bottom, that we're most likely going to be continuing to move upwards, especially if you watch my video yesterday and my previous video today. I share with you some technical indicators that we are actually bullish, that we're actually setting up, making a bullish move here very soon. So guys, I think, this is just my personal opinion, I think that we are setting up for this bullish move to be taking place. And I do feel that there's going to be a big bullish move this summer. A big bullish move this summer. It doesn't mean we're going to be breaking all-time highs. It doesn't mean we're going to be making a crazy move. But I do believe that there's going to be somewhat of a recovery bounce here soon in these next couple of weeks, where we could see a big 20 to 30, maybe 40% move here soon. And that would be exciting. But that's very likely. That is very likely because we have crashed so much. We've been beaten down for so much. And after any type of major crash, there's a consolidation. People are accumulating cryptos. They are buying them up. And guess what happens when you have so many people continue to buy up and expecting a bounce, and people are becoming bullish? They think that this is the bottom. There's going to be a lot of buyers and there's going to be a lot of volume coming in to push these prices up. That's my scenario. There is a bearish scenario where there can be more fear and FUD out there with the recession and interest rates rising and all of this bearish information that could, of course, bring cryptos back down. We could break the bottom and continue to go lower. These are strong possibilities given our current economical status. But still, regardless of what all of that information is, whether it's bullish or bearish, on the technicals, we are setting up to make a move. We are setting up for a decent bounce here, guys, very soon. And that's what I'm expecting. That's what I am waiting for. And that is going to be the move where I am going to be taking profits and taking advantage of these bullish moves so that we can take profits, let things crash down, and then we could trade the volatility. We can buy the bottom at massive discounts, holding from our profits up here. And that's what I help you guys to do in the Patreon, where you can copy all of my exact day trades, where you can get buy and sell alerts for all different types of cryptocurrencies. You can even speak to me on the phone, where we can go over your current portfolio, because some people have their portfolio so messed up that they're just continually losing money by not being properly diversified into Bitcoin, to Ethereum, and only holding really small altcoins, which I highly recommend that you do not do. And also, guys, if you want to learn technical analysis, if you want to learn what to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, go ahead and sign up at MYLESGinvestments.com. The course is 50% off right now. Highly recommend it. It will save you money and it will pay for itself very quickly with a single move that you will learn in that course. And in addition to that, guys, make sure you claim your free bonuses over on Bybit for my special followers. You have incredible free bonuses up to $4,000 if you deposit money over on Bybit. You deposit crypto over. It's the best crypto trading platform out there. It is super cheap. You can leverage, you can go long, you can go short. Highly recommend you check it out. You can even do paper trading on there to practice so that you can get really good consistency before you start trading with your actual money. Now, that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for staying under the end. I appreciate your support. Go ahead and follow my Instagram, follow my Twitter. Check out the links in my video description. I look forward to speaking with you all soon. Have a great night.